What a beautiful day in APM, isn't it, today? Well, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be buying a skid steer from Facebook Marketplace. I believe it's from the same people we bought the motorhome from, but I actually don't think they're home. So we actually moved into a new house, so this will be interesting to see what the skid steer can do. I'm thinking about putting a pool in my backyard. Maybe, I don't know, probably back here would be a good spot for a pool. Think if we put a pool back there, that'll look so cool. But anyways, we have the Denali in the shop getting worked on, so we're gonna be taking the Ram. So let's get it warmed up. All right, let's go ahead and pull out of here. It's already warmed up. All right, let's hop out. Let's close my garage. I forget to close it all the time. 1, 2. Let's go get the trailer from the trailer store. Let's go pick this bad boy up. Alright, so we just left a brand new neighborhood in APM. I'm also going to be checking out the brand new update inside of APM. The houses that are brand new. But first we're going to go pick up the skid steer and then check it out. So we're going to come in here. Pass through the car wash again. Alright, I think here we are. Let's go pick up this trailer. Back it on up. Did I get it? You got it. Alright. Let's go ahead and go over to the place where the skid steer is. Let's go pick it up. We're gonna kind of speed because I need to get there. Someone else said they were coming. So we're gonna go ahead and zoom over there and try to go pick this thing up. Alright, we're here. Alright, I believe the skid steer is somewhere over here. Is that it in the trees? I can't see. So I think we're just gonna park the truck. They're not home, they said. So just come pick it up. I'm gonna try to turn around in their yard. Oh. Let's get the trailer maybe. Right here. If the thing drives. Alright. We gotta go ahead and disconnect the trailer and reconnect the trailer because it's being weird. The trailer keeps chucking a lot. Okay, we connected it. Now let's go ahead and put down these ramps. So plop. And the keys, they said, should be in it. So it's in the same spot where the motorhome is. Oh, this thing's a 2021. I wonder why. Good thing they're selling this. Alright, let's jump right in it. Okay, it started right up. That's a first. So let's go ahead and it drives. Alright. Does it raise? No, it doesn't. Okay, it's not working. I can't raise it. So we have to back it up. I forgot skid steers do this. It's not like a car. I think she's on the ramps. Come on, get up there. Alright, we got it on. Alright, park it right there. Let's turn it off. Let's put these ramps up. Alright, we got it on the truck, and let's pull out of here. So we already paid for it. Let's get the heck on out of here. Alright. And then we're gonna, speed limit's like 50, so this ramming goes fast. So I think we're gonna park it right here. Oh, we just zoomed past that stop sign on accident. Alright, let's go bring the trailer and park the skid steer on here. And let's see what they can do. Oh no! Oh god, I almost just totaled the truck. Oh shoot. Alright, they said just leave the trailer right here. Like I said, back it in. Alright, I think we just leave it right here. Disconnect the trailer. Alright. So, I'm gonna drive home and I will let y'all know the next day on how the trailer does.